In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Bluetooth headphones to your OnePlus Watch 4. Now all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings. So on your watch, simply press the crown button and then from here scroll down and select settings. Within the settings, scroll down and find Bluetooth, tap on it and ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled. And then from here, select pair new device and then it will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now on your Bluetooth devices, on your Bluetooth headphones, simply put it into pairing mode. So for this particular headphones, all I have to do is press and hold this button until the light flashes white to put it into pairing mode. So once it's in pairing mode, all you have to do is go back to your watch, and go to the Bluetooth settings, then select pair new watch, and now it will scan for the Bluetooth headphones. As you can see, mine has been discovered. So simply tap on it to allow the pairing process to complete, and then you should see this prompt, secure pair OnePlus Buds 4 or your headphones. Simply tap on the check mark. Tap on the check mark, and now it will pair with that particular headphones. So as you can see, it's connected, and that's how you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to your OnePlus Watch 4. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.